Hello everyone, in this video we learn about how to change setting to getting best out of air conditioner in your car. Manual air conditioning system. Cooling function. First, push the AC switch on. Set function lever to phase, mode, and switch fan to high speed. Second, shift air control lever to recirculation mode. Third, shift temperature lever to cool position fully. Fourth, shift fan switch to low medium speed when cabin temperature stabilizes 0.5. If your vehicle has been parked under the sun, first, push the AC switch on. Open the windows briefly for the hot air inside to escape. Second, shift fan switch to high speed. If your vehicle has been parked under the sun. Third, shift air control lever to fresh air mode. Fourth, roll up the windows after 2 to 3 minutes and shift to settings as explained in cooling function. Dehumidifying function, rainy and winter season. First, push the AC switch on. Set function lever to defrost mode. Second, shift air control lever to fresh air mode. Third, shift temperature lever to desired temperature position. Fourth, shift fan switch to desired speed. Fully automatic operation cooling. First, push the auto switch. Second, set temperature selector to the 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. The system will automatically maintain the set temperature. Third, to achieve the maximum cooling, set the temperature selector to the lowest temperature. Fourth, shift temperature selector to desired temperature when cabin temperature stabilizes. If your vehicle has been parked under the sun, first, push the AC switch on. Open the windows briefly for 2 to 3 minutes for the hot air inside to escape. Second, you can also control the AC system manually. To do the same, set the selectors to the desired position. Dehumidifying function, rainy and winter season. First, press the demister switch. Second, press the switch off once the glasses are clear. Maintenance of AC system. First, operate the AC at least once a month. Second, get the AC system checked only at Maruti authorized workshop. Third, condenser should be cleaned at least once a year by spraying low pressure water on condenser fins. Fourth, running AC without refrigerant may damage compressor parts. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.